Welcome to Keyword Financial, home of the latest crypto and blockchain projects. Most of our videos always reference our website, so today we decided to show you an example of a project featured at Keyword Financial. But before we jump into today's video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Most people are motivated to invest in crypto because they want to become rich. Yet most crypto investors are not up on Satoshi's dream or even, for that matter, who the creator of Bitcoin is. If you were able to put two and two together, you guessed correctly that the creator of Bitcoin was Satoshi Nakamoto. Most of the time, the average Joe or Josephine sees a news clip or an article talking about how a coin or token, and yes, there is a difference, has just reached new highs, and because of these new highs, we have a new crop of multimillionaires within our community. When we get to see the footage of these new millionaires, they look just like us. They rock average clothes. They work average to below average jobs like Lyft, UPS, or a cashier at your local fast food joint. But the only thing that stands out about these people is, they look just like us. So then the question becomes, what is different between them and us? Gender has nothing to do with it. The clothes they wear have nothing to do with it, and their ethnicity and background have nothing to do with it. So then, what is the difference? The answer is timing. A successful investor thrives on acting at the right time, followed by other variables like, when did they get the information? Where did they get the information? When did they act on it? And in the case of crypto, we also have to add in the question, where is your cryptocurrency housed? For you naysayers and super advanced investors out there, yes, market capitalization is a major factor, but market cap falls into the category of timing. Simply put, it is first come, first served. Someone planted a financial seed, and before they know it, they are on the news describing to the public how they went from rags to riches. Now that we have established that timing is paramount in financial success when investing, Keyword Financial would like to introduce to you Our Games. Our Games is a highly tailored platform offering a diverse range of gaming modes aimed at creating the largest blockchain-based racing ecosystem. The Our Game platform prioritizes interoperability, ensuring seamless integration across different blockchain networks. With integrated user-generated content support and advanced AI designs, users can immerse themselves in gameplay while simultaneously creating unique game assets. This unique experience is tailored to automotive enthusiasts, providing an exciting blend of interaction and creativity. In other words, Our Games is a get-paid-to-play type of platform. So while users are exploring the vast landscapes, enjoying beautiful maps, modifying their vehicles for dangerous advantages, or participating in top-class tournaments with a multi-vehicle system, and tricking out their favorite cars within a virtual garage to be sold as an automotive trade on the Our Games exchange, they are making money. The interconnected games allow users' assets to be utilized and expanded in various ways across the different Our Game modes and features. Our Games is a gaming platform created by a diverse team of passionate developers, designers, and gamers who share a love for immersive gaming experiences. They come from different backgrounds but share a common goal of creating a fun and inclusive gaming community. Among the team are seasoned game developers like Rubina Naz, who has worked on popular gaming titles, and graphic designers like Emily Lee and Ankita Nayak, who specialize in creating stunning visual effects for games. Our Games is the first ever interoperable blockchain racing game. Fully customized interoperable NFTs provide an additional layer of user-generated content with AI integration for automotive lovers. Our Games is a multi-vehicle racing game where the player can select to create vehicles that range from a Formula One race car to an off-road truck. It caters to the needs of every racer, enabling them to personalize their racing encounters and experience an elevated level of thrill and engagement. I am sure a lot of you are like, the game is great, but what about the money? Please, get to the money part. So here you go. In the world of crypto, to find out how a project generates money, you must go to that project's white paper and look within the tokenomics section. Tokenomics is a portmanteau of token and economics. A portmanteau is a linguistic blend of words, where parts of multiple words are combined to create a new word. Tokenomics refers to the economic principles and mechanisms governing cryptocurrencies or digital tokens within a blockchain ecosystem. Tokenomics encompasses various aspects such as token distribution, supply, demand, utility, governance, and incentives. Here are some key components of tokenomics. Number 1, token distribution. This pertains to how tokens are initially distributed among stakeholders, which can include founders, investors, developers, and users. Number 2, token supply. The token supply is total number of tokens that will ever exist. It also covers whether the currency is fixed or inflationary and if or how new tokens can be minted or distributed over time. Number 3, token utility. This tells the investor how the token functions and the use cases of the token within the ecosystem. Tokens may be used for payments, access to services, governance, staking, or as a means of incentivizing certain behaviors. Number 4, token governance. This covers all the decision-making mechanisms within the ecosystem, such as voting rights or consensus mechanisms that determine how the protocol evolves over time. And number 5, the tokenomics model. The tokenomics model is the overall economic framework that describes how tokens are generated, distributed, and used within the ecosystem. This includes factors like token velocity, liquidity, and scarcity. As it pertains to this project, our games will have a single token system to maintain the supply and demand of its users. The governing token, our game, will govern the game's overall ecosystem and give players a say in how the game is run and what new features are added. This ensures that the community's voice is heard and that the game remains relevant and exciting to play. The Our Game token will be used as a currency within the game, allowing players to purchase vehicle upgrades, NFTs, and other items. The token will be in high demand, as players will need it to progress and enhance their gaming experience. By balancing the demand for both supply and demand, our games will ensure that the game's economy remains stable and healthy, with players able to trade, sell, and buy items as needed. Well, that concludes today's video. Remember, Our Games Racing is a play-to-earn project where players can earn rewards through their in-game activities, such as completing tasks, winning races, or creating and staking NFTs. If you would like to learn about more projects like this one or be exposed to new crypto/blockchain projects on the market, visit us at keywordfinancial.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.